The signs have been gnawing at you and keeping you awake at night, and you can't function without knowing what's going on, and you found this channel in this video, you're about to find out why. Welcome to
Oh my God,
guys. I didn't even realize I was not recording this. Okay, sums up. This new news that Justin has Lyme disease. It has Haley's witchcraft written all over it, and her Munchausen syndrome. Okay, I just was yammering on and on, guys, for a good 10 to 15 minutes, not even realizing that I never pressed record. And you know, I'm usually quick on the uptake here. So someone, Miss Haley, does not want me to get this message out. Okay, I'm watching that counter. Okay, now I got a notification while I was yammering on and on that it said here from Holly Scoop, Selena Gomez fans accuse Justin Bieber of using his Lyme disease prognosis to promote Yummy. We both know Yummy is not doing very well. It's being ripped to shreds, okay? Karma. You fucked with Selena Gomez's AMA performance? Your whole fucking single is trash. That Yummy single is fucking trash. Haley shippers, don't come for me. You'll rue the fucking day. I will cut you with my words. Don't fucking play with me. Okay? I am not the one. Okay? I'm not the one. But as soon as I heard the news of his prognosis, you know, a lot of things as a psychic came to the forefront. No. I feel, and I'm not even going to pull cards about this. I had cards ready. I'm not even going to pull cards about this. I don't need them. What I'm going to tell you as somebody that if I was involved, you know, as somebody that's objective as opposed to subjective, giving them advice. This has narcissistic, karmic with Munchausen syndrome all over it. This bitch is the one making him sick, but yet she wants to pass herself off as the one that gets him well again. It's pretty pathetic. This woman's pathology goes really fucking deep, okay? I've read on her before. I'm not the only reader that has read on her before. You know, what energy is energy, you know. When you seek to speak the truth, it's going to come out, okay? And this prognosis, I feel, since it's coming on the heels of his own wife saying that, you know, she reads comments and, you know, I pretend that it doesn't bother me, but it actually does bother me deeply to my core, and I'm ad-libbing here, okay? Then you see her on social media asking different celebs, I'm not going to name names, not necessary, okay, for what does Lyme disease look like? What are the symptoms of Lyme disease? You're noticing, Haley, that we're noticing that he's not well, and it has nothing to do with Lyme disease. I'm sorry, I'm going to fucking call it out. Look, in Holly Weird, even the doctors can get paid off. Okay? Don't fucking come for me, because you know I'm telling the fucking truth, okay? If it's triggering you, you know I'm telling the fucking truth, okay? This diagnosis, we've been following this for a while. Where have you seen Justin anywhere near a deer, a forest of any kind, camping? Now, believe me, if you can provide links to photos, I will retract my statement. But if you can't, and you're just a Haley shipper with a fucking chip on your shoulder, don't come for me. Unless you can give me proof, I am not above retracting my statements. Look, I'm a grown-ass female, okay? I'm not above retracting statements when need be, okay? But I feel very, very vehement about this, okay? This does not smell right. It's very fishy. It's very fishy, very convenient, very timely, okay? as somebody that has a disease herself, I have Hashimoto's, okay? To see a woman like Jailey manipulating this in a way to serve her own agenda, A, is fucked up. B, don't think I'm not going to fucking call it out, okay? I'm sure there are other readers that are calling this out as well, okay? Because energy is energy. It's there to be picked up, okay? It's like screaming at one of us to fucking say something, okay? So, you notice that we notice, okay? Because she admitted herself that she reads comments, okay? So she's affected by what we're saying, okay? Since she notices that we're noticing, she looks at what he looks like, Googles what are the symptoms of XYZ, goes to the doctor. I'm sorry, I just got a notification here. If I click on it, this thing gets shut off. I don't know why. So I'm just going to let it go here. Well, I just read the comment. I'm going to have to agree with this person. I'm going to have to agree. That being said, for somebody like me that be noticing shit, that be peeping shit, okay? And I do it for a living, okay? You can't do these things which you're shooting yourself in the foot, okay? Instead of remaining under the radar, you're coming out with your antennas, okay? So you make those statements, okay? You Google what it looks like. You're asking other celebs. So you're leaving a paper trail, okay? Even if you delete the comment, I'm sure somebody somewhere screenshotted the shit, okay? And then go to the doctor, you know, with a very, very vague surface list of what she's been noticing on him. And if this doctor is crooked, we haven't established if this doctor is crooked, okay? But we are talking about Holly Weird here, okay? If this doctor is weird. Now, this is all, you know, something that I'm perceiving, okay? If it turns out not to be, then I'll retract my statements, as I said. But I haven't had to. I haven't had to. When you're doing all these things, you look very suspect. When you're the one making the man sick, you got a severe case of Munchausen syndrome. Munchausen syndrome is not just amongst mothers or fathers with their children, okay, to be held up on a pedestal, okay? This could be amongst husbands and wives as well. Munchausen syndrome, okay? So with Munchausen syndrome, I feel like she has this thing about her where she's never, ever going to feel as good as Selena, okay? Selena's always going to haunt her no matter that the woman just said not too long ago, quote, Justin is a distant memory. Okay, so what more do you need? Jailey, this goes way beyond the dynamic that they used to have and the connection that they still have, whether they're together or not. That's the thing that you got to realize with twins. It doesn't matter if they're together or not. It's a connection. It's not physical, okay? But this woman is always going to haunt her. And I feel her pathology goes so deep that she feels that she needs to be the heroine in this thing. Make him sick so that I can make him well again. All hail Queen Jailey, right? Queen Platypus. Jailey shippers, don't come for me. I told y'all before. Don't fucking come for me because you'll rule the fucking day. My channel, my opinion, and, you know, sorry. You don't like it? There's the fucking door, okay? You clicked. Don't get your fucking feelings hurt, and it will be okay, okay? Anyway, I don't even need to pull cards on this because this is kind of apparent. You know, it's like even those of you that watch this that don't pull cards can kind of see this shit, okay? You don't need to be some swami, some guru to be peeping shit. Big motherfucking facts, okay? So just keep in mind that we are going to be watching you, Haley. We're always watching you. We're always watching you. Oh, yeah, we're watching you. Because we see you as the epitome of what karmics and narcissists are. So when you get your justice, it's like taking one for the team. Say I'm fucking wrong. You know, now we'll leave time to prove this. Again, this is my observances, my findings. And you can either agree with me or you don't. I don't care either way. But if you do resonate with this, let me know, okay? Because I'm sure I'm not the only one that's picking up on this, okay? It's very convenient, very timely. Come on, lady, you must have us all pegged for fucking stupid idiots, okay? You must have us all like we're fucking stupid. I'm sorry to burst your little bubble, but we see you. This is very suspect, highly suspect. When you are being noticed for doing the magic that you're doing, you're going to make some shit up and get everybody else involved if they stand to get paid off. And with that, this has been the Hood Oracle. Hood Oracle out.